It's Tuesday. How many vending machines until we find Pokemon cards? Hopefully one. I don't feel like driving around all day. Well, it only took 4 stops and we found a vending machine that was stocked up pretty good. Had both of these bundles and then some loose packs. So we're gonna go ahead, I bought 1 loose pack as well. I left the rest of the loose packs in there. There was Stellar Crown and Surging Sparks, but we had to get one to open up right now. Code card, energy. We got a Combuskin, Feebas, Doodler, Applin, Trainer, Arcanine, Abomasnow, Lurantis, Trainer, and still nothing. Is Destined Rivals ever gonna be nice to me? I'll just have to open up this in another video and see if we got completely skunked. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.